Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I'm going to show you this 1955 custom line, and this one has a Chevy motor in it. AC works, booster, electric ignition. Obviously you see the brand new radiator on it. They just put brand new tires on it as well. Body's pretty straight. Since the rebuild, it has less than 1,000 miles on it, so you can really enjoy it. There you can see, no rust. Love the features inside. If you have any questions, you can reach me back at 619-204-1190, and let's make a deal today.